Welcome back again. This is Richard from V.S.L Concept, and right now we'll be going over to the very first project of this class. Yes, we are going to do our first project and we're going to do this together. So, all I just want you to do is open your app and you see the normal basic screen. Then you go over to your background color, come here, make the background white. You see a white color here, cancel, go up, color. Okay, make the background a white color. Then we have a text already here. So just come over to the text tool and you edit. Now, when you are editing, just write, my name is Richard. The same way. Yes, that is all you are just going to write. My name is Richard Esemuru on the first part of the text. And you click on OK. Now the text is not visible because the text color is still on white. So you go over to the color option. This is the color option. Now you choose the color for your text. Let's make it black. So you can now see this has come up. So what we want to do now is to change the fonts. What font are we going to use for this text? You click on fonts, you are going to see so many red fonts. Over here, you can see the preview of the font up here. So which font do you want to use? Choose any font in your own project as you are going to do. Now you see this will come up here. Now we'll move this up here. We want to add another text again, and that text should be, come over to the text tool, edit, should be, I love dancing. Yes, that should be the text you should put on the text. Or let me just make it more advanced. Put, I am a digital marketer and I love dancing. Yes, there should be a full stop there. So I think we're good to go with that. So this button here under is what helps you to rotate this. I'll show you how to do your rotation later. So I want to increase the text of this, increase the text size. So all I just need to do is come here and I increase text size here. Now you see that this is aligned to the left. I come over to the align option and align it to what? To center. So you see my name is Richard Esemuru. I am a digital marketer and I love dancing. Now I want us to add one effect to this name. Now that effect, we are going to do that with this texture tool. So the texture tool just gives you the option to pick a texture from a photo. You can download textured images from Google, and I'll show you an example of one right now. I've downloaded one texture image which I used for a project last night. I'll just use that again right now. So I'll just click on texture here, click on this picture, click on add, then immediately I go over to my gallery and I select that image I downloaded. So this is the texture I downloaded, and I click on what? Save. Now you see this has automatically changed to, my name is Richard, changed from black to the color of that texture. This is a real hack on Pixellab. In fact, this is what I used to wow my clients. So I don't just make it a straight color. Instead, I look for a textured image and I try to make this color the color of that textured image. You saw how I did it. It is not difficult at all. So let me just make this a 3D. I don't want us to do too much design so you don't get confused. Let's just make this a 3D. Enable 3D, oblique, then reduce the depth. My name is Richard Esemuru. Reduce the depth, then darken. Let me darken it a little so you see that. Then bring this angle here a little. So these two actually helps you to rotate the angle wherever you want the angle to be. But let's put it here like this. My name is Richard Esemuru. Da, 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 da. So let us also do a little editing on this. Let's just make this text bold. Okay, let's just give it a background. Give it a background. The background should be, let's give it this blue background. Let's see what this blue, okay, let's pick something else. Okay, so let's give it this background. Now this background, we can also reduce the opacity of the background. The opacity of the background. You see that it is too sharp. Let me see the possibility. Okay, we cannot do that from here. We'll do that from the other tab. So that is that. So this is just the simple project that I want you to carry out. My name is Richard Esemoru. I am a digital marketer and I love dancing. I want you to do this project and deliver it right now within the next 5 to 7 minutes. You see, it did not take much time for me to do this. So within the next 5 to 7 minutes, I want to do this project and submit it right now. Remember, the first three persons that does this project and submit it will get a special prize from me at the end of this training. Let's get to work, guys.